Hey there everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to fix Big Walk couldn't connect, connection timed out while trying to connect to host. So just before we do begin with this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, open up your Steam right over here, click library, right click on your game, properties, installed files, and verify integrity of game files. Basically click on that. It will load up right over here as you can see. There you go. Once it finishes though, go ahead and exit that out and relaunch your game. If the problem still persists, exit out of Steam or minimize, click on your start menu, type ncmd, run as administrator, go ahead and type in ipconfig space flush DNS, press enter. On the same window, type in netsh winsock reset. Go ahead and press enter. Alright, once done, it will say you must restart your PC in order to complete the reset. Basically, that is the new update for Windows 11 and Windows 10. So go ahead and exit it out, restart your PC, and your game should be up and running. Now, if your game still doesn't work, what I recommend is basically reinstalling the game entirely. Sometimes a corrupted file or a missing file gets the issue with connection that doesn't sync with your connection with BigWalk. So basically that will be all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.